How to fix enhancement tab missing on Windows 11 sound settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix if your enhancement tab is missing on your Windows device. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, here, as you can see, if I open up my speaker's properties from control panel, I'm not able to find the enhancement tabs here. It's because you have a different audio driver installed on your device. What you need to do next is go over to the search bar and search for Device Manager. You don't have to install it from anywhere else. It should be available on your PC. Basically, go over to Sound, Video Game Controllers, right click on it, and then you can scan for hardware changes. Once that is done, expand it, and you'll find your default audio driver. So this is the display audio, and then you'll have your Realtek audio as well. What you do next is just right click on it and then tap on update driver. Then you don't select the first option, select the second one, browse on your computer, and then select let me pick from list of available drivers. Once that is done, you just need to make sure that you show your compatible hardware. Select your driver and then click on next. It's the same driver here. So you basically have to tap on next. It will install the driver and successfully update it. Now for the effect to take changes, you need to restart your computer now. I'll just skip it for this and do the same thing for your other driver as well. Go over to properties and then from here, update driver, browse through your computer, and then you just have to click on show compatible hardware. Click on next, select your driver, and then tap on next. Once that is done, it will automatically install the latest driver. Click on close. Now, once you close this, for the effect to take change, you need to again restart your PC. And after doing that, you can go over to control panel and then go to sounds. Once that is done, you need to double tap here on your speaker or go to its properties. And you should have your enhancements tab available here. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.